Hello everyone and welcome back. If you were curious about how C++ dependencies work on Windows, in this quick video I will show you how vcpkg installs libraries in one command and how CMake links them automatically. We will use FMT as an example and build in seconds, hopefully. vcpkg is a C++ package manager by Microsoft. You say the library name, it builds and installs it for your platform. You don't need to do any manual fiddling. And we also use CMake, which is the build system generator. It works on Windows, Linux, and macOS, and it integrates smoothly via VC Package Manager. And we are accessing that via a toolchain file. Let's start by taking a quick look on the VC Package websites. You can access them via vcpkg.io, or you can go to the GitHub accounts and check there in the repository. I suggest you to check the repository or the website if you plan to use it in the future. But in this video, I will just show a short, simple example, and we will not go too deep. I am in the VS Code, create a new directory called vcpkg demo. I'm going to create quickly CMake lists.txt and a new file called main.cpp. And for the VC package, vcpkg.json. Okay. Now we have the three folders, and now we have also how project structure works. Let's open a terminal. And in the terminal, I will say git clone, and I will go back to the GitHub account, copy the HTTPS, and here we will clone this. Now we have installed VC package. Let's go into it. And here I will be saying bootstrap minus vc package.that. All right, and here we are. We finally have the VC package management program, and in this version. And if you want, you can actually add this to your path. It's not necessary, but I just want to show it quickly. You can say $NV, and you give what you want in your path. So you say path, and then another $, and you see pwd, our current directory, and then you see nv path. This basically means get my current directory, add to the path. So this is how you add to the VC package manager. I downloaded, I get it from Git in this demo directory for a reason, because I already have the VC package manager in my computer. Let me quickly show you. Initially, I installed it in my C drives, dev packages. I will show you quickly. In my C drive, I go into the dev, and there's a folder called tools, and inside that tools I have the VC package manager, and with a bunch of packages that I've been using for some time. I would suggest you to install it also in C drive as a dev or tools or whatever you prefer, but it needs to be in somewhere you can remember and easily access to, and this is what I used. So for the sake of this demo video, we installed the VC package manager from GitHub in our VC package demo directory. So let's make a tiny app that prints with FMT. First of all, I will start by saying include fmt-core.h. We are getting this header, and I will have a main function, and it will be fmt print hello from fmt, and we will have the fmt version. Nope, let's use caps lock fmt version, and then we will divide it by 10,000, because if it's like 10.2, we want to get 10.2, and then we will be returning 0. So this is our tiny app. So we go back to CMake lists. First of all, we are starting by saying what we want to have as a minimum required version. I will go with 3.20. There's no real reason. I think I am using version for something. Yes, I am using version 4.0.3. So, and here we are giving a project name. I will be saying vcpkg fmt demo, and languages we are using C++, so that's why we are calling it CXX. Again, I need to set a standard for the language we are using. I will say CMake CXX standard 17 because of the C++ 17. And yes, we want the standard required, so that's why it's also on. And then we will be saying vcpkg will provide a config package for FMT. And this is where we are trying to find the FMT package that we are using in the C++ file. So let's find the package with C++, and I will be saying it executable vcpkg fmt demo, the name of the project, and which is using main C++, so I also added as executable. And finally, for the target link libraries, we are calling vcpkg fmt demo, the name of the project. It's going to be private, and we are using fmt and fmt. So one last step, we need to manifest vcpkg, and it also needs to auto install on configure. So first, let's open curly braces. Name will be vcpkg fmt demo, and version will be the first version 0.1.0. It's what you can call whatever you want. Dependencies will be fmt only for this one. Using a manifest vcpkg.json like this is a clean way, so your dependencies live with your source. And when CMake configures with vcpkg toolchain, that vcpkg sees vcpkg.json and installs what you need. And now we also need to point CMake at the vcpkg toolchain, and that's gonna be with, let's say, CMake B. We will give it directory for the build directory. I will just call it build. We will give the source. Source is current place because that's where we have the main.c++ and CMake list.txt. The CMake tool chain file equals. So we also need to give vcpkg's root, which is here. I'm giving that, and then I am saying scripts, and then we will say build system dot vcpkg dot CMake, and we will be putting the vcpkg target triplet will be, I am in the Windows, so I will just say x64 Windows. So if I say enter, it's supposed to work. Let's see. We have problems. Let's see in the make list. Also, if you are curious, like why did I spend this much time writing this, you can just go to vcpkg, and you can go to scripts, you can go to build systems, and you can just click on the CMake, and you can say, okay, copy relative path. And this will also give you what we typed here. on the vcpkg scripts build system vcpkg.CMake. You can also just copy the full path, then it will give you the full path, which is more reliable generally. So this time I'm going to copy the full path, just copy path, and this time let's paste it correctly. Enter. And yes, this time it worked, because I think I made a mistake giving it the path. It's better to just copy and paste than writing by hand. It's easy to make mistakes here. And yeah, so let's wait it to download the packages, which we declared here, which is fmt. Okay, I had to wait a little bit extra because I was also needed to update some, well, let's see, the logging. Yeah, I had to update my PowerShell, so it took some extra time. But after I finished my PowerShell and vcpkg installed some dependencies it's needing for general use. Let's see. And here we have successfully downloaded fmt lib. So I assume this means, alright, fine. Generating done, build files have been written to this place. Alright, looks good. And in that case, now let's try to build it. I'm gonna say CMake -- build, or again, the directory is the build, and I'm going to configure it for the release. And we are done. So if you go to build and release, and now we have the exe file. Let's try to run it. And we have hello from fmt11. As you can see, our VC package manager successfully installed the fmt. And here we didn't have any manual include paths, no link errors. VC package pulled fmt and CMake found it, and we are done, which is quite simple. So why we use this setup? Because it is very fast, other than the installing part, because it might take some time depending on internet or how big a package you are installing. But usually we see package install libraries beats hand building very fast, and it's very reproducible. Dependencies live in the JSON, vcpkg.json, so you can just keep doing it again and again. Also, it's portable, so same CMake project builds on Windows, macOS, or Linux can be used. And we have a good scale, so we can have more libraries using vcpkg.json, logging, JSON, SDL, and we can also new build scripts. We can have more new build scripts. And yeah, this was VC Package Manager plus CMake on Windows in a nutshell. If you want a follow-up, we can add like an Lowman JSON or spdlog and ship a small app. Like and subscribe for your setup time. If you have any questions, you can ask in the comments. And yeah, this is basically VC Package Manager works in Windows. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.